Hello foodies! Welcome back to Svedanika the kitchen. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Please watch the video till end without skipping to understand the step-by-step procedure. So let's get into our video. Today I am going to show you a recipe of pachipulusu with brinjal. Yes, it is Vankaya Pachipulusu or roasted brinjal raw rasam along with Vankaya Pachi pachadi or roasted brinjal chutney. Ingredients for these two recipes: brinjal, finely chopped onion, coriander leaves, green chilli, curry leaves, cooking oil, salt, garlic cloves, tamarind and tempering ingredients. Without wasting any time, let's get into our procedure. Base element for these two recipes is brinjal. So let's start our procedure with brinjal. Select brinjals that are smooth, shiny and have uniform color. Wash and dry brinjals beforehand. Now apply little amount of oil on the brinjal and roast them on the open fire using grill. You can do this on gas stove, or you can bake them in the oven, or you can roast them in air fryer too. But don't forget to turn them in between to get the uniform roasting. I like to do this on the clay stove to get the natural smoky flavor which reminds me of my childhood in my village. Occasionally, I like to cook on clay stove to enjoy the experience of outdoor traditional cooking. While brinjals are roasting, let's take a big lemon-sized tamarind. Wash it and soak it for pachipulusu. Now I am adding water to the tamarind. We'll squeeze the tamarind and we'll soak it. This way the tamarind will soak and releases the juices very fast. So let's soak it for 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's check the brinjals. Yes, we'll turn the brinjals. Wherever they are not roasted, we'll turn them and we'll roast them evenly on all sides. Ideally, green brinjals are used for this recipe, but at my place it is difficult to get them, so I am using regular one. Squeeze the brinjal slightly with tongs, and if it is very soft when squeezed, then the brinjals are roasted. Now the brinjals are roasted perfectly. Let's transfer into the plate. Now roast green chillies on the open fire. Take care while roasting green chillies, or as they may pop up very quickly. We'll roast them in batches for both chutney and pachipulusu. Peel the skin from brinjals and keep them aside. Peel them very carefully. Peel them while they are warm. See how easily the skin is coming out of the brinjal. Look at the perfectly roasted brinjal. So in this way we'll peel the skin for remaining brinjals too. Let's keep them aside. The brinjals are peeled. Now we'll start our procedure for pachipulusu. Pachipulusu is a raw rasam made with tamarind juice, onion and green chillies in Telugu states during summer. Now squeeze the tamarind pulp and add tamarind juice to a bowl. Add 2 times of water to the tamarind. My tamarind is so soft, so using very little amount. Add tamarind according to the taste. Now I am adding 2 times water to the tamarind juice. Now add finely chopped onion. It is about 1 cup of finely chopped onion I am adding to this pachipulusu. I'll use the remaining finely chopped onion for the chutney. Now add 1 roasted brinjal and 2 green chillies. Mash them in the mortar and pestle. Since the brinjal is already roasted, it mashes very quickly. See how quickly both brinjal and green chillies are mashing up. Add this mix to the base of pachipulusu. The same mortar and pestle, add remaining roasted green chillies, add salt. Add salt in pachipulusu too. Add roasted brinjals, tamarind slice, 1 garlic clove, half teaspoon cumin seeds, and pound them until the pieces are mashed properly. It takes no time to mash them, so a base for our chutney is almost ready. Let's check it. Yes, it is ready, and we'll transfer that into the bowl. Now on a clay stove, place a kadai. Add 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. So oil gets heat very quickly, so add your tempering ingredients one by one. Mustard seeds, Bengal gram, cumin seeds, Fenugreek seeds, black gram, turmeric powder, and slit red chillies, 1 crushed garlic, and some washed curry leaves. Just give it a good mix and immediately remove it from the stove. And add tempering to both pachipulusu and chutney. Yes, we use same tempering to both the recipes. Now add finely chopped coriander leaves in pachipulusu. Adjust salt if required. Now add finely chopped onions to the chutney and give it a good mix. Now add finely chopped coriander, give it a good mix. Yes, our Vankaya Pachi is ready. Enjoy this chutney with a dollop of ghee on hot steamed rice. Enjoy Vankaya Pachipulusu along with any fry or papad or as it is in hot steamed rice. Please mention your recipe requests in the comment section so that we'll try to make a video soon. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Like, share, comment, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.